Howdy folks, I got my Traditions Kentucky pistol here, cap lock of course. I got a paper cartridge here. The front end's got about 172 grains worth of number 7 birdshot. So I came up with that amount by weighing out a 50 caliber round ball and seeing how much that would weigh in grains in 7.5 birdshot. Then I made the paper cartridge. Got 2F Pyrodex, about 28 grains. Cap it up with a CCI number 11 Magnum. And we'll see what happens. I'm gonna move a little closer to the target. See if I can hit anything. Like a BB hit there. There's some clear over here. Pattern spread out pretty good. That's only about 10 or 12 yards. But this wood's pretty hard. I don't even know if it's real wood. It's some kind of composite. None of them penetrated, so birdshot 50 caliber out of a pistol. Not much good for anything, but fun to shoot anyway. Thanks for watching.